Namaskar. Welcome to the example number 31 for the event Marriage Prospects. In this example, in continuation of the previous video, we are going to study on the denial of marriage. Example 31, denial of marriage. Now let us examine the birth chart. Now let us check the another chart of a female for the denial of marriage. Let us have a basic study on the chart before studying the destiny. Lagna is falling in Cancer. Seventh cusp is falling in the Capricorn. Seventh Lord, Saturn is posted in the seventh house itself, but close to eighth cusp. Seventh Lord and also eighth Lord Saturn posted in the seventh house in own sign, but very close to the eighth house. So 7 is connected to the eighth house. And because that eighth Lord also, but still strongly connected to eighth cusp. Now, whether Saturn is influenced by any other planet by way of conjunction and aspect, no, Saturn is not conjoined with any planet, but you can see Venus and Moon are posted in the sign of Saturn. So that will have some impact. But Venus, the Karaka planet, also is conjoined with the Lagna Lord. That Venus is 10th Lord as per the degree, 10th Lord and Lagna Lord Moon are posted in the 6th house in the sign of Saturn. Venus Moon conjunction in 6th house is not good. That is present here. Now, Mars planet being the female, you can check the Mars also. Mars is posted in the Pisces sign in the 8th house as per degree. That is conjoined with the 12th Lord, 11th Lord, and 3rd Lord, Mercury. Who is the 6th Lord? Whose 6th Lord is Jupiter. Jupiter is posted in the 10th house in the sign of Venus. So that Jupiter is aspecting to the Venus by 9th aspect. So now Mars is conjoined with Mercury and the Sun, 2nd Lord. In the 8th house, it is having some weakness. And also that Venus, another, Karaga planet for the marriage, it is occupying 6th house and aspected by the 6th Lord, 5th Lord, 9th Lord from the 10th house, which is already influenced by the Rahu. So these are all indicating some affliction, but they are not indicating strongly denial or unfavorable affliction like what we discussed in the previous chart. So now let us study the extended significations. By that, let us check the destiny. Destiny, we have to check for that. Let me open that significators. Just a minute. Let me keep this. 7th Lord planet is Saturn. 7th sublord also Saturn. So we can study only 7th Lord and that is enough. 7th Lord planet and also 7th sublord Saturn is on its own. It is good. It is supportive for multiple marriage prospects or relationship also, that we have to keep it in mind. But the star level planet Jupiter is 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 and 4, 8, 12. 5th house moving towards 4, 8, 12. 7th Lord is supported by the 5 and 11, but 8th Lord and the 7th house is going to experience the 6 and also 4, 8, 12, indicating some obstacles and struggles. Then it is conjoined with the Jupiter is already afflicted by Rahu. What is Rahu signifying? Check the Rahu. Rahu is 10, 6, 10. This is strongly unfavorable. Rahu represents Venus, is also strongly unfavorable. So that Jupiter is afflicted by the Rahu and also sign Lord Venus. That sign Lord Venus is the sublord for the seventh cuspal sublord. That Venus is also afflicting the Saturn, because Saturn in sign only that moon or Venus are posted. So that Saturn influence will be there on Venus and vice versa. Now, who is very strong? Saturn is trying to influence the Venus, but Venus also a free planet, and also with the support of the Rahu, it is at the sub level. Despite some strength passed on to the Venus, this is going to be further giving support to the unfavorable Jupiter, and Venus is in the star of moon. That is also 1, 6, 2, 12. This is not good. And Venus and moon also conjunct. So these unfavorable sublord and star lord of the sublord, and influence of the Jupiter, influence of the Rahu and Venus through the star level Jupiter, that way star lord and sublord are strongly unfavorable. This is causing denial of marriage. I think you are able to understand. Now let us check the Dasa lord. Now he is running 57 years. It is not married yet, that person, and born with the moon Mahadasa. Then at the age of marriage, definitely would have, let us check the marriageable age. Rahu Dasa definitely would have been running. Rahu Dasa, yes. Rahu Dasa running. So Rahu Dasa was running at the marriageable age. Rahu is not good. Star level is weak. 12 level also weak. They are not favoring. Sub level only to some extent it is supportive. That next one is the Jupiter Dasa. Jupiter is having mixed signification, but star level Mars is having weakness, and 12 level is supportive, sub level is supportive. Being the fifth lord, having got 11, 3, 7, 11, 1, 3, 7, 11, 7, 9, it would have supported for some relationship, but not strong enough to support for the marriage, because already discussed that weakness, destiny is strongly unfavorable. Because of that, that would have supported for the relationship, not for the marriage. So denial of marriage is strongly indicated. I think you are able to understand. Hope you have understood. We will study the next example in the next video. Thank you.